As you can see, I'm in my car. I was going to film a video, but it does look like it's gonna rain right now. I just went shopping. First driver mod, it's literally where you guys are at right now. So I got this phone holder, and honestly, it's in the right position. It's in the perfect position you could ever want it. This was like 15 bucks here at Target. So might as well, since I went shopping, I might as well give y'all like a shopping haul, I guess. I don't know. But I got this tripod right here. It does come with a smartphone adapter. So just so say I have the car up on the lift or something, this can set up and be higher and not real low to the floor compared to this tiny one. So this is more of the handheld one. This I also got it here at Target. So this is just more if I needed to be more height level and stuff like that. That was like 40 bucks, 45 bucks. And you know, what's a haul without Hot Wheels? So I got this Nissan R390 GTI. Really good, really good. And I got this S4 Quattro. Look at this. Look at this. And apparently it's like a little combo pack. So there's the Mercedes-Benz Sprinter S4 Quattro, the one I got. 2012 Mercedes-Benz C63 AMG Black Series. 1994 AMG C-Class DTM touring car. And of course the 911 GT3 RS, my favorite car of all time. Along with another set right here. This was hidden more towards the back, so if anybody was hiding this, I feel bad. This comes with the 68 Corvette Gas Monkey Garage Edition, 70 Ford Escort RS 1600. Look at the Datsun wagon with the little Sakura trees on it. Heck yeah, dude. Dodge Viper, and of course the 934 Turbo down here. This is why I bought it, because of the turbo. 934 right here. That's why I bought it. But this Datsun wagon is pretty cool. So a little Hot Wheels haul. And this is probably my favorite one. The Senna GTR. I was gonna cop the Mustang, but that was $150. This was only 50 bucks. So I snagged it. So yeah, that's just a little Target haul. Driver mod right here, phone holder. I did film a video already, but my phone messed up and I lost all those videos. So this is gonna be like a 2-day like video thing. So since it's a little gloomy today, I'm gonna go ahead and film that video again tomorrow. It is my front license plate delete, so it just says BRZ on it. Got that from Billet Works, so I'm gonna go ahead and reshoot that video and upload it either later Friday or Saturday. A lot of big work. So I mainly got this because there is a project coming soon. Very, very excited for that one. I'm ordering the part tomorrow on Friday, so stay tuned for a very awesome install and very crucial big 3 mod. Okay, I might have said it in my earlier videos what I was planning to do first as a major mod, but this is it. Ordering Friday on the 22nd, should get here around next week or something like that. So hell yeah. Okay guys, so this here is the blade. I did decide to just do the install here under my carport. It is starting to drizzle, so I'm gonna go ahead and install this pretty quickly. So this is what it is right here. So shout out to Billet Works once again for this piece right here. All it is, just gonna need a couple of Allen keys, and it'll just install pretty quickly. So much. want to line it all up to the pre-drilled holes already. Screw those in. Car is a bit dirty. I'm gonna wash it soon. So yeah, screw those in. Get your Allen key tool, any kind of tool you got, and just tighten it in. See, it's a very, very quick install. That's pretty much it. Very, very quick install, and looks very great. I'm gonna leave a link in the description down below to this if anybody else wants it. So yeah, so this is how the car looks with the front license plate delete on it. Looks really, really nice. Very quick install. Yeah, so quick install, quick video, and that's gonna be it for today. And another thing I was gonna do was, of course, we all hate that seatbelt chime. It's very annoying. It gets louder and louder and louder, and it's just downright annoying. So I'm gonna go ahead and attempt to take that off. So I believe it's turn the car off, then turn the car back on. I think you click your seatbelt in 15 to 20 times, turn the car off, and then turn it back on, and then it should work. So let's get our seatbelt ready. Turn the car on. Well, that's an accessories. Turn the car on. There you just go. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 11, 12. Okay, car's off. Let's see if we turn it back on. Okay. Now let's see if it worked. Oh, it did work. Well, and we got rid of the seatbelt chime. Very easy, very quick to do. Nice. Okay. I'm happy now. I finally got that annoying sound out. Nice. Honestly, I didn't think it would work. I didn't think it would be that easy. So, yeah, very quick. Let's pull back around to my parking spot. It ended up drizzling for like 10 seconds, and then it stopped. Texas weather, am I right? Anyways, all right, let's come back around. So, like I said, very big install coming, very big plans coming, so stay tuned. Very excited. Let's go here, get back at this parking spot here. Come on, there we go. And just like that, back in the parking spot. Awesome. So we knocked out 2 things today. Well, I had already knocked out the license plate delete, but like I said, I lost those videos. So for you guys, I knocked out 2 things, but for myself, I knocked out 1 thing, which was the seatbelt chime. First oil change I'm gonna do probably tomorrow while I'm at work. I'm at 1,600 miles right now. So, okay, now this concludes the video. And like I said, stay tuned for the next video. Very big video. Very excited for that. And, you know, I'm thankful for all you 42 subscribers
And as of my recent video, it hit 115 views, the most views out of the 3 videos I've already had. I can't ask for much. I'm just very grateful for it. So stay tuned, keep following the channel, keep following the build. A lot of things are coming in. What's it called? I'm currently working on a brand right now. Just trying to get everything official, just trying to get everything trademarked. That way it's officially mine. So expect some like prototype kind of merch and stuff like that. Just testing it out. Obviously I'll be wearing it, some of the guys will be wearing it, just to see how you guys like it. And if you guys are willing to get some merch like that for me, then I'll go ahead and start doing all of that fancy stuff. I'm just grateful. Thank you for each and every one of you, and keep following the build.